Businesses in the ever-changing e-commerce industry are always looking for new and creative methods to streamline their processes, improve the consumer experience, and increase revenue. The use of artificial intelligence techniques is one of the biggest developments in recent years. These tools aid in process optimization, shopping experience personalization, and marketing strategy optimization. Several AI tools that can greatly help e-commerce businesses are shared as 1. Chatbots. Chatbots are virtual assistants driven by artificial intelligence that engage with clients via text or voice. They improve customer satisfaction by offering immediate assistance. Even after hours, an online clothing company can receive assistance from Zendesk's chatbot in responding to consumer inquiries regarding sizing and shipping rules. Sales can increase by lowering cart leaving rates and enhancing the general consumer experience with this immediate support. 2. Personalized product recommendations. AI systems examine consumer behavior and preferences to make personalized product recommendations. Amazon's recommendation engine is a prime example. It monitors user behavior and makes product recommendations based on past purchases and browsing history. Amazon will recommend new running shoes or workout gear to those who regularly purchase athletic apparel. This greatly increases the possibility of a conversion. 3. Dynamic pricing tools. Real-time price adjustments are made via dynamic pricing tools based on various factors, including competitor pricing and demand. One such technology that assists e-commerce companies in keeping an eye on competitor and making data-driven price decisions is called Presync. For example, Presync can recommend increasing the price of a well-liked product in response to a spike in demand, maximizing profit while maintaining market competitiveness. 4. Inventory management systems. AI inventory management tools forecast supply requirements and maximize levels. Netstock is one example of a company that forecasts inventory requirements using prior sales data. Netstock can forecast seasonal patterns for a small online retailer of handmade candles, allowing the operator to stock popular aromas at the ideal times. By taking a proactive stance, overstock and stockouts are reduced as well as improves customer happiness. 5. Fraud detection systems. Artificial intelligence is used by fraud detection systems to spot suspicious activity and stop fraudulent transactions. Signified is a technology that uses purchase pattern analysis to help online retailers reduce risks. Signified can flag a transaction for additional examination if a customer who often purchases little products tries to buy a costly laptop out of the blue. Businesses are shielded from chargebacks and financial losses by this proactive strategy. 6. Visual search technology. Customers can use visuals rather than text while searching for products due to visual search technology. With the program site, users can upload photographs to discover related products. A seamless shopping experience can be created if a consumer finds a dress they adore in a magazine and uses site to submit the image to an online clothes retailer. Site then finds similar outfits that can be purchased. 7. Sentiment analysis tools. Sentiment analysis tools evaluate customer feedback to gauge public opinion about products. MonkeyLearn offers AI-driven sentiment analysis that can help brands understand customer perceptions. For example, a cosmetic company can use MonkeyLearn to analyze social media mentions and online reviews, quickly identifying any negative sentiment about a product. This enables the company to address issues and improve customer satisfaction proactively. I hope you are enjoying the content. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Our channel focuses advancements and impacts of technology. 8. Email marketing automation. It is powered by AI tailored campaigns according to user behavior. MailChimp is a well-known service that assists companies in sending customized emails. For instance, an online bookshop using MailChimp can send personalized suggestions featuring new releases in the mystery genre to consumers who regularly purchase mystery novels. This focused strategy boosts engagement and boosts revenue. 9. Voice search optimization. Businesses may make their websites suitable with voice search inquiries by using voice search optimization tools. Jetson AI offers products that let merchants prepare their content for voice searches. An online grocery store may make sure its listings are responsive to natural language queries like, "What's the best organic pasta?" as more customers utilize smart speakers. This improves accessibility and visibility. 10. Customer behavior analytics. Artificial intelligence technologies for customer behavior analytics examine interactions on e-commerce platforms to improve marketing tactics. Google Analytics provides information on user activity that can be used to pinpoint customer journey pain spots. For example, an online retailer of pet supplies might find that a certain product page is where a lot of its consumers leave their baskets empty. They can enhance pricing tactics or product descriptions to boost conversions by conducting additional research. 11. Augmented reality shopping. With the aid of augmented reality tools, consumers may see products in their surroundings. One example of a website where clients can view furniture pieces in their homes is IKEA Place. Customers may virtually position a sofa in their living room using the camera on their smartphone, which increases their confidence in their purchases and lowers the possibility of returns. 12. Supply chain optimization tools. Using AI technology, it simplifies logistics procedures. LlamaSoft provides AI-driven insights to assist e-commerce companies in efficiently managing their supply chains. To cut expenses and speed up delivery, a multinational e-commerce business can utilize LlamaSoft to evaluate supplier performance and shipping routes. This efficiency leads to better customer satisfaction and loyalty. 13. Social media advertising tools. Campaigns are automated and optimized with the use of AI in social media advertising. AdRoll is a platform that assists online retailers in producing user-specific advertising. It can be used by an online beauty firm to determine which demographics are most likely to interact with their products and to modify their advertising budget appropriately. This guarantees that marketing resources are directed where they are most likely to produce positive results. 14. Returns management solutions. AI-powered return management solutions reduce losses and expedite the procedure. Returnly analyzes patterns in return requests to assist e-commerce companies in handling returns more skillfully. It can be used by an online shoe store to determine which goods are returned most frequently and modify size charts or product descriptions to better suit consumer needs and lower return rates. Are you enjoying our tech insights? We're sharing fresh tech videos every Sunday. Subscribe us so you can stick to the technological updates in the world. 15. Customer journey mapping. Tools for mapping customer journeys evaluate interactions to enhance user experiences. One tool that helps companies visualize the complete client journey is Pendo. Using Pendo, an online travel firm can gain insight into how customers traverse their website, which will help them improve customer service and expedite checkout, both of which will increase reservations. 16. Market research tools. Trends and consumer behavior are analyzed by AI-driven market research tools. Crimson Hexagon is one platform that offers insights into market dynamics. An up-and-coming fashion firm can use Crimson Hexagon to spot sustainable fashion trends, which will help them position themselves for success in a crowded market and match product development with consumer demand. 17. Customer segmentation tools. Users are divided into discrete groups using AI-powered consumer segmentation technologies to enable targeted marketing. A tool called Segment assists companies in classifying their customers according to their actions. With the help of Segment, an online electronics retailer may establish user groups such as tech enthusiasts and budget shoppers, allowing for more specialized marketing tactics that appeal to each group and boost engagement and conversion rates. 18. Influencer marketing platforms. Influencer connection management and identification AI techniques can greatly improve marketing efforts. A program called Upfluence links marketers with relevant influencers. Using Upfluence, a health and wellness company can identify influencers whose followings are like their target market. This maximizes the impact of collaborations by ensuring that their marketing campaigns are successful and reach the appropriate audience. 19. Payment processing solutions. Systems for processing payments powered by AI improve efficiency and security. Adyen is a platform that provides smart payment processing by detecting fraud by analyzing transaction data. Adyen can be used by an online grocery delivery service to identify irregular transaction patterns, shielding themselves from possible fraud and guaranteeing safe transactions for their customers. 20. Content creation tools. Engaging product descriptions and marketing content can be produced with the help of AI content generation tools. Copy.ai is a popular technology that assists companies in producing unique content quickly. An online retailer of home goods can save time on their marketing team and guarantee that all listings are search engine optimized by using Copy.ai to create attractive product descriptions for new arrivals. An e-commerce company can greatly increase productivity, boost customer satisfaction, and increase sales by implementing AI solutions. AI technology offers massive advantages, ranging from chatbots that offer immediate assistance to personalized recommendations. E-commerce companies may fulfill the needs of their customers and maintain their competitiveness in a crowded industry by utilizing these solutions. The application of AI in e-commerce has enormous potential as technology develops, as well as opening the door to even more creative solutions. In this video, we discussed about AI tools to start the e-commerce business. If you want to know about how technology is revolutionizing the e-commerce industry, then smash the mentioned link at the end of the video.